everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated tools for growing your business online, Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile. If you run a local business, optimizing your profile can be the difference between being invisible and being the first choice customers see. Let's break it down. Here's a quick fact. Over 90% of people who search for local services on Google end up visiting a business within 24 hours. Imagine someone nearby searching, "best coffee shop near me." If your business isn't showing up in that local pack, you're losing customers to competitors. But the good news is, you can change that with proper optimization. The very first step is to claim and verify your business. Head over to Google Maps or Google Business Profile Manager, search for your business, and claim it. Google usually sends a postcard with a verification code, or sometimes allows phone, email verification. Without this step, you can't control your listing. Next, you need to fill out every detail of your profile. Many businesses stop halfway, and that's where they lose visibility. Make sure to add business name exactly as it appears offline, correct address and phone number, your business hours, website link, a detailed business description with your main keywords naturally included. Think of it like your digital storefront. The more complete, the more trustworthy. Did you know businesses with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more click-throughs? Upload high-quality photos of your storefront, inside your shop, your products, your team, and even short videos. Update them regularly so Google sees your profile is active. Reviews are a game changer. Ask your happy customers to leave reviews and make it easy by sending them a direct link. But here's the key: respond to every review, positive or negative. It shows potential customers that you care, and Google rewards active engagement by boosting your rankings. Google My Business isn't just a static listing. You can post updates just like on social media. Share promotions, events, new products, or even tips. Also, check the Q&A section regularly and answer customer questions before competitors do. This builds trust and keeps your listing fresh. Finally, use the Insights tab. It shows you how customers find your business, what they searched, and what actions they took. Did they call you, visit your website, request directions? These insights help you refine your strategy and see what's working. So to recap, claim and verify your business, complete your profile, add photos and videos, get and respond to reviews, post updates, and track insights. It's simple, but incredibly powerful. Remember, your competitors are already showing up on Google. Don't let them take your customers just because you haven't optimized your profile. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business growth tips, and drop a comment below if you've tried optimizing your Google business profile. Until next time, get found, get chosen, and grow your business.